Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, I love you. Thank you so much for coming by. So today we are going to be having this beautiful look, and I don't know, I just thought we should just go. Honestly, I didn't know what to go for, but you know, I just stumbled on this. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, just stay tuned and let's just get right into the tutorial. I love you. Please subscribe, please like, please give this video a thumbs up, and please share. Hey guys, so as usual, I'll start by prepping with the steps. I mean hydrating my skin, moisturizing and priming. I mean using a face primer, obviously. That's a must if you want your makeup to last all day and give you a flawless finish. Then I went ahead with the brows and cleaned up with the concealer. I cleaned the lower part with the lighter shade of concealer and the upper part with my actual shade of concealer. After that, you want to just blend everything out.
I am feeling good tonight. I just see my goods tonight. And the rook could be my bag. And the money know the slack. My lover. If you know sabi somebody, my lover.
And onto the eyes, I primed my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre. And I went in with that brown color as my transition color. I mean as my transition shade. And then I went in with the blue eyeshadow on my crease. Notice how I'm blending both simultaneously. You would want to do that so as to have a well blended eyeshadow.
I am feeling good tonight. I just see my goods tonight. And the rook could be my bag. And the money know the slack. My lover.
So to cut my crease, I went in with my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. You want to take your time with this process. Also, when using the concealer, try as much as possible to make it dry before applying your eyeshadow so as not to crack. And for my outer V, I went in with the blue eyeshadow I used on my crease, and I used a small fluffy brush to pack on the product and blend. And then I went in with the gray light color in the middle of the lid, and went in with that, like, I don't know, I think it's like lilac in the corners of my eyes. Then finally for my eyeshadow, I went in with my transition color to blend out everything. You want to make sure you blend all your colors together. And then I went with my Inglot gel liner in number 77, and I just used it as my liner. Notice that I didn't wing that liner, and I went in with a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow to just put on the liner itself, so as to just make it matte. And then with the banger, I went in with my lashes. Notice how fluffy that lashes is. Lashes just makes everything beautiful. Now to the face. I used my Blackup and my MAC foundation together. Oh my god, they blended so beautifully. Then I went in with my Tarte shape tips. Oh my god, that's a tongue twister. Then I went in with my Tarte tape shape concealer in tan sand for my highlights. I used it on my under eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupids. And I blended it out with my beauty blender. I had to set with my Sacha buttercup, after which I set the whole face with my normal powder, which is the Blackup in 01. 01 or 02. I bronzed my face with the COVERGIRL in Ebony, and then don't forget to contour your nose.
Is that how you used to do? Okay, do. I want your Scooby-Doo. Yeah, we are work. Oh my work. Yeah, shoot, baby. What did you? Someone cannot play with you. Is that how you used to do? Okay, do. I want your Scooby-Doo. Would you book by do? Oh God, you shot your. You want to scam me, Kolewek? I'm gonna get Kolewek. ATM password, Kolewek. Baby, Kolewek. 5K for handkerchief, Kolewek. I'm gonna get Kolewek. She give me contract, Kolewek. Lawyer me nipe Kolewek. Bado Koka, Kolewek. Hello, Omatiwek. Fuel 145, Kolewek. You want to hang out on mortgage, show my check. MDS, tell me.
I dusted the rest of my face using the fluffy brush and set it with my actual powder.
Please, are you pleasing or you want to don't suffer the girlfriend mini or you want to zone? I don't get patience, I don't want the bone. I like brocotor that be thinking on its own. The owner they go to Pam, she they go zone. Jesus, you are standing in kilo so. You need to have found on the other baba ya. Oh, I call wale welo jade. I took part to kun, I wale yami yakun. Only yami yellow go back to
Went in with my blush, which was the Anastasia Gradient Blush Palette. And of course, I applied my highlight and set the powdery face with the MAC Fix Plus. The idea of setting the face with a Fix Plus or with any other spray is just to bring back skin to your face and just to give hydration to your skin. And also to help your makeup last longer.
Look like a goddess. You know you're the goddess.
Now onto the lips. I went in with my MAC Currant lip liner and Anastasia liquid lipstick in Currant as well and stripped in the middle. Notice I didn't smack my lips, I just let both dry. I blended the lower part of my lips with the fluffy brush and I cleaned up the lips with a concealer.
I wanna take you home.
I went in with a black kohl pencil. I'm using the Marble to line my waterline. and I went in with the blue eyeshadow I used earlier to smudge it out. That's just to give it a smoky under eye effect. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it very useful, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. And also, I did not forget again, please subscribe, please like, please share, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you would like me to do, and I'm just here to serve you. Honestly, I'm just here. I'm at your service anytime. Just let me know what you want, and honestly, I'll just do it. I love you. Bye. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. Later.